I'm gonna keep it popping. No cap. Whatever. No cap. Pop, pop. Goes my 4-5. Every time I think about all the time I did it wrong, pop goes my mouth. Pop, 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 pop. What's up, y'all? Pop out. Yeah, man. Y'all already know me, man. Say, yeah, man. Today weekly carry was, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, okay. At least you know. I didn't know what the hell he was talking about, bro. I was just lost. Okay, at least you know. I don't know that abbreviation. I'm OG. You hear me? I'm an OG. All that abbreviation, I'm like, I don't know what the hell that means, bro. So I just stay quiet. I'm like, I don't know what he talking about, but okay. Yeah, y'all see that big 4-5, big 45. Yeah. Been playing no game, big 45 ACP. Yeah, that's my new EDC. Yeah, yeah, that's my new EDC. Yeah, yeah. I told y'all, if y'all been rocking with my channel, I already told y'all, for the new year, I went up to the 45 ACP. No cap. But I'm gonna start carrying my 5.7 too, y'all. I'm gonna start carrying my 5.7, y'all. This I might start EDC in that big bitch. No cap, y'all. I done just had a 30 barrel on that bad boy too, y'all. So yeah, man, I'm gonna pop out on some shit on y'all. Yeah. My backpack gonna be my motherfucking rock 5.7, and my pocket gonna be my motherfucking my Mac G GL4 Turo. You did. No gun. No cap, y'all. You I think that's a kid. But yeah, man, we ain't playing game, y'all. I'm telling y'all what. I got some new shit coming, y'all. No cap, man. Say trick or treat, cause I got some heat coming. You hear me? Trick or treat, I got some heat coming. And my bro, this boy, man, say y'all go holler at my bro channel, y'all. Gang, gang, gang security, y'all. No cap, man. Man, I should have seen him. What he doing, man? Pop on live. Say it. But I know that boy say, they go through today, no cap. What do you need? No cap, no cap, no cap. All my bro, please be safe. We ain't worried about nothing. We let these haters know they can't stop us. You hear me? We the best, y'all. Damn, I've been trying to tell y'all, man, we the best. And now we just taking over the game. Taking over the game. They don't even, they so busy watching me, they can't even do their damn thought filter. You hear me? They so busy watching me. Now you talking, bro. Now you talking. Yeah, Texas say they do got the day. We known for that barbecue. You hear me? We known for that barbecue. No cap, man. And you want to get in the Dallas, say it's this place called Anderson's. They got some good ass barbecue too. No cap, man. Look them up, bro. No cap. Yeah, they got some good ass barbecue, bro. That's something to put on your bucket list for deep time. Yeah, y'all. So yeah, represent, pop out right there. We ain't playing no game. Austin, Texas, say the home of the barbecue. Yeah, y'all, no cap. Appreciate everybody coming to this channel, y'all. No cap, man. Thumbs up, pop out right there, y'all. Hear me? What? 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 Oh yeah, oh yeah. You know, gotta have some brisket, man. No cap, bro. Yeah, man. And they got them big old dinosaur ribs and ooh, say y'all, no cap. Say, no cap. Texas known for the barbecue. No cap. It is. Bam, y'all. Appreciate everybody come to the live. Y'all I told y'all, man. We the best. We the best. I wish motherfucker would pop out. Say something. Say something. Probably gotta make another channel anyway, because I already know y'all. We gonna stay popping.